Today we're going to continue practicing composing the number 10. I know that sounds tricky, but let's find out what it's all about.
Ten fingers, 10 toes, 10 pins you knock down when you bowl. 10 cents makes one dime. What numbers make 10 every time? 0 plus 10 makes 10. 1 plus 9 makes 10. 2 plus 8 makes 10. 3 plus 7 makes 10. 4 plus 6 makes 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. 10 fingers, 10 toes, 10 pins you knock down when you bowl. 10 cents makes one dime. What numbers make 10 every time? 6 plus 4 makes 10. 7 plus 3 makes 10. 8 plus 2 makes 10. 9 plus 1 makes 10. 10 plus 0 makes 10. These numbers are friends of 10. Did you know crabs have 10 legs? And there are 10 years in a decade. And in football, it takes 10 yards to get a first down. And when a rocket ship blasts off, they count down from 10.
Miss Chapman's going to show you what I'm talking about in a game here, and you can play this game at home. All you need is a cup full of the counters you've gotten in your learning toolkit, and then your tens frame, just like this one here. So I'm going to shake up my counters and drop them down. Now yours don't have two sides, but you could just split them and then figure out how many was over there and then how many is over here. Okay, but Miss Chapman has fun counters that are two colored. So I'm going to go ahead and put all my yellows together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I can see right away. Can you notice how many numbers that is? You should be able to see it fills up half of a 10 frame. So it is 5 counters. So then I know over here, I'm also going to have how many counters? That's right, 5, because I can just see that from looking at them. All right, let's go ahead and try it again. I'll take them all. I'm going to shake and spill them. Here we go. Shake, shake, shake. Whoop. Shake, shake, shake. Spill. All right. How many does Miss Chapman have? So you should be able to look and see how many are red right away. Whoop. How many are red right away? That's right. You should be able to subitize them or see that we have 4 numbers or 4 reds right away. So then how many would I need to fill up to make 10? Good job. You should see that there's needs to be 5 and 1 to make 10, which is 6. So I have 6 yellows. I have 4 plus 6 equals 10. So we are going to play 2 con 10s, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you your activity you're going to do today. But first we're going to drag the tally marks to each set. So here I have 4, so I would grab 1, 2, oops, I put it on top of the other one. There we go. 2, 3, and 4. Now on this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should be able to see right there that you have 6. So I've got a 5 and 6. So I have 4 over here. If I put this one to go across, I know that would be 5 and 5 to make 10. So do I have 10 here? That's right, I do. So I'm going to pull it on up. Woo! Nice job. Let's try this one. Here I can look at it without counting and see how many. That's right, 6. So I'm going to pull one group of 5 over and one more, which is 6. Here I have 3. So I'm going to put down 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Does that equal 10? No. No, it does not. Good job. Let's keep trying these. So here, I know I have 1 here. So I'm going to put 1 over on this side. This one, oh, I see 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I have 9 over here. So I'm going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more is 9. So 9 plus 1 equals how many? Oh, good job, you guys. That's right, it's 10. Let's keep practicing. So what I want you to be able to just do is to see that number right away. Like right here, without counting them, I can see how many. 4. Good job. And then over here, without counting them, I can see how many. 5. And look at Miss Chapman doesn't have our numbers up here. So I know 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Does that equal 10? No. Okay, let's try this last one here. So I can look right here and I should see how many right away. Good, I see 5. So I'll put 5 there. Right here, how many do I see? That's right, 5 as well. So does that equal 10? Yes, good job. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to get along little dotties is what you're going to play. And so you're going to try to look at these numbers and you're going to try and put them together in the tens frame and figure out which number it is. So there are how many numbers, move them to the tens frames. So I've got to see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 numbers. And then I'm going to move them to the tens frame. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look, see, I was right. I have 6. I can see because I have a row filled there and a row there. How many need to join? How many do I have to put in here to make 10? Okay, so this is how it's tricky. I have 6 and how many? That's right, I would need 4. So this one's going to be a little bit trickier. You got to count up those spaces. Now, Miss Chapman's watching you through that camera, so you make sure that you're not just pulling these numbers from the bottom there, okay? So see if you can figure out how many dots we have there without counting them. That's right, we have 3. And then you're going to move those down. 1, oop, there he goes, 2 and 3. So how many more would I need to make 10? Let's count these extra boxes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So would I need 6? No. Oops. Would I need 8? No. How many do I need? That's right, 7. So I would need to put 7 in that box in order. 7 plus 3 equals 10. You'll do an activity just like this shortly. You're going to have an activity to do here shortly. But remember, try not to just pull the numbers down. We want that brain to grow, right? So we've got to make sure that we have our counters out and our 10 frames so we can be practicing these along with Miss Chapman in the videos, okay? So when you go to that assignment, pull out your tens frames, pull out your counters, try and move those around and actually do them in front of you too. And then it will be easier to figure out what the answers are. All right, I hope that you're working on that brain. Keep up your work.